Greetings with peace, viewers. Egg contain a hard-shelled reproductive body produced by a bird. The most commonly used bird eggs are those from the chicken, duck, and goose. They also contain heart-healthy unsaturated fats. A great source of important nutrients, such as vitamin B6, B12, and vitamin. The yolk contains fat-soluble and essential fatty acids. Most of the protein is found in the egg white. The shape of an egg resembles a prolate spheroid, one end larger than the other. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are the 6 health benefits of eggs. Number 1. Better for brain health. Eggs contain vitamins and minerals necessary for the brain and the nervous system to function effectively. It's used to build cell membranes, helps produce signaling molecules in the brain. A balanced diet supports stress reduction and better mental health practices. It helps reduce the risk of anxiety, depression, and naturally aiding sleep. Number 2. Support heart health. Eggs are rich in several nutrients that promote heart health. These are betaine and choline. Choline in eggs plays an important part in breaking down the amino acid homocysteine. This acid may contribute to heart disease. People who follow a low-carbohydrate diet and eat eggs have less of a chance of developing heart disease. Number 3. Help maintain good eyesight. As we age, it's normal for our vision to start to deteriorate. Eggs contain 2 antioxidants that serve as protection for the eyes. Zeaxanthin and lutein are carotenoids known as eye vitamins. These 2 nutrients protect eyes from macular degeneration. Also protects harmful UV rays and free radical damage. Eggs are also high in vitamin A, which is beneficial for eye health. Number 4. Support weight management. They contain high-quality protein that keeps hungry individuals feeling satiated from eating excess calories. Whether you have an omelet for breakfast or a hard-boiled egg as a snack, eggs can help you stay satisfied after or between meals. Eggs are rich in protein, which is more filling than either fat or carbohydrates. Number 5. Raise good cholesterol. Eggs help increase high-density lipoprotein or good cholesterol. The cholesterol in the egg yolk is not what causes a problem. Meals high in saturated fats and trans fats likely to raise cholesterol. Deep-fried foods are the key culprits to increased risk levels of low-density lipoprotein or LDL cholesterol. Eating 2 eggs a day for 6 weeks increased high-density lipoprotein or HDL levels by 10%. Eating eggs does not adversely affect cholesterol in the blood for the majority of people. Number 6. Improves muscles, skin, hair, and nails. Some vitamins and minerals in eggs help promote healthy skin. It also prevents the breakdown of body tissues. A strong immune system helps a person look and feel well, thanks to its complete essential amino acid profile. Free-range eggs contain high-quality protein. They also contain a significant amount of leucine, an amino acid that is important for ongoing muscle support. Risks of egg. Allergies. One of the most common food allergies in infants is eggs. Some people have an egg allergy or sensitivity. A person with an allergy may experience a life-threatening reaction from coming into contact with eggs or egg products. Cardiovascular risk. High cholesterol levels in the body can affect heart health. If uncontrolled, the risk of cardiovascular disease will be experienced. Insulin resistance. Significant side effects occur when consuming 4 eggs a day. This condition is not healthy because it can trigger heart disease and insulin resistance. That egg consumption may be associated with heart disease comorbidity in diabetics. Contamination. Salmonella food poisoning has been a concern, especially if eggs are eaten raw or undercooked. Proper care must be taken to prevent the egg shell from becoming contaminated. Health experts advise people to refrigerate washed eggs. Use them within 2 weeks. Cook them thoroughly and never consume raw eggs. Most forms of contamination enter through such weaknesses in the shell. It enters through pores in the shells. Maintaining good hygiene while preparing eggs is key to preventing food poisoning. 1 large egg contains 186 milligrams of cholesterol. Each person needs as much as 300 milligrams of cholesterol a day. That is, one day it is only safe to consume 1 epileptic egg. A raw yolk from 1 standard egg contains 55 calories, 2.70 gram of protein, 4.51 gram of fat, 184 milligrams of cholesterol, 0.61 gram of carbohydrate, 0.10 gram of sugar, and 0 gram of dietary fiber. Egg yolks contain at least 7 essential minerals, including calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc. Eggs can be a healthful addition to the diet if a person eats them in moderation. Eggs are the delicious and easy way to keep our bodies healthy. With eggs' nutritional benefits, you can feel full, happy, and nourished at the same time. Cook eggs thoroughly until the yolks are firm and the whites are opaque. Egg yolks and whites provide the most nutrition when a person consumes them together as part of a whole egg. Still, it's best you and your doctor should decide what's best for your condition. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.